How are ya? Welcome back. Today we're gonna create a texturized top knot. I hope that you like it. So we'll begin by making a very high ponytail. Make sure it's nice and smooth and make it very high. Then we want to leave some hair out in the front because in my opinion this looks so sexy. Push a little bit at the front section to make it fuller looking. Now grabbing one top section from our ponytail, divide it into two and bring it down the ponytail like I'm showing and tie it using a clear elastic. Then again we want to select another section from the top of our ponytail and we will bring it back and we will tie it using a clear elastic. So we want to repeat these steps over and over again until we will braid our ponytail. Now we want to feather out our created braid. Actually, this looks like a fishtail braid but a little more voluminous. We want to divide the ends into two and bring it in the front. Pin it in place, crisscrossing your bobby pins. Grabbing the ends, we want to bring them backwards and tuck it into the elastic of the ponytail. Of course, you want to feather out your created bun and use some grips to fix it and make it more full. If you need, you can use some hairspray, you can accessorize it of course. And they're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this sporty looking hairstyle. I hope that you like it too. If you do, don't forget about thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. But you know, I love you so much and you cannot do anything with that. Mwah!